Hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing another Necrozma GX. This is a Dawn Wings edition, opening this tin up. I'm doing multiple recordings in one day here. I'm just going to try to make it a little bit more efficient and doing it that way. We'll see if it works. And I'll just have them scheduled to be uploaded at different times. Wow, this is like super plastic. It like doesn't want to rip. What the heck is going on? There we go. Still have my Pokemon cards on, my Pikachu cards off to the side from the last tin. There we go. Get the promo card out. Take a look-see. Again, very nice. Feel the caffeine headache setting in. I haven't had any coffee yet today. I need that. As soon as I'm done here, I'm going to make some espresso. And then I should probably get to work. Alright. So this one I'll keep for the Discord and or whoever wants to reach out to me. Alright, so these pack variations are a lot different. This has Crimson Invasion, Ultra Prism, Evolutions, and Fates Collide. The last one had 2 Burning Shadows, Guardian Rising, and an Evolution. Start off with the Ultra Prism. Not sure why, but these, I believe, are a little bit more expensive than the other packs. Because I saw the booster boxes online. I think it was this one, this set. Ultra Prism, and they were about twice as much. They were almost $200 instead of like $90 for a booster box. Piplup, Morlul, Zimagmar. Ooh, nice little Eevee there. Some Eevee action. Sneasel the Weasel. Nice. Reverse Hollow Turtonator. And for the rare, Slazzle, non-holographic Slazzle. Gabite, a Gardener, a Gardenia, who is clearly a Gardener. Chihuahua. Crimson Invasion. Oh, the Swinoob. Cacnea. Bunnelby. Shallows. The little Weedle with a needle. Reverse Hollow Weedle. And for the rare, Crawdaunt. Crawd don't show up in my packs anymore. Tickersby. Peking Red. Grumpig. And put that off to the side. I wasn't laughing at my own joke there. I was laughing at something else that on a different card that I pulled up. Alright. Evolutions. Classic set here. Almost have it all complete, thankfully. Still need the Mega Venusaur full art and the Charizard, regular Charizard, holographic in the reverse. I have the full art. I pulled a bunch of the full arts for some reason, but not the regular holo. If I don't pull it soon, I will probably just buy it because it would be cheaper that way. Reverse holo Rattata and a non-holo Starmie. Let's look at what we got so far. Nothing real good out of this tin. My last tin was pretty solid, so I can't complain. But I would like some last pack magic here on the Fates Collide. Oh, give me something. Give me some full art. I would be happy. Not even sure what the pulls are out of this one. Jigglypuff. Fennekin with a Chikorita in the background. Snivy. It's a lot of basic Pokemon. Whismur. Our starter Pokemon, rather. Mincino. Dome Fossil Kabuto. And for the rare, Superior, but it's a non-holographic. Relax and Wigglytuff. There you go, you guys can have that one too. Hey, appreciate it. Thanks guys for stopping by and watching. And if you made it this far, if you'd like and subscribe, get to see a lot more openings because I have more to come. See you in the next one.